feet wet?
I don't know. He runs around in water. Yo, Chip.
I've literally been running behind all day today. I'm on my way out now. I'm gonna see my friend Brunella. She moved to Melbourne not long ago and I'm going to get her to tattoo me. She's a tattoo artist, just to preface that a little bit better. I'm gonna get an Uber, but my phone is nearly dead. I need to pack water and I'm gonna pack a banana. I did have a post-training meal before this, like before I went to the hair salon. I always have a banana before a tattoo session. It's like my good luck charm.
So I have a couple of ideas, a bit different than what you sent, but like there's different ideas. So this is one.
I'm just giving my space a little clean. Also, this desk was meant to be temporary. It's actually a table from the hallway, and I've been procrastinating buying a sit-stand desk. If anyone has a sit-stand desk, do you actually use it as much as you thought you would? Like, do you actually go and change the heights all the time? It's just something that I want to get for myself. At the moment, I'm doing a course on sleep recovery and stress management. I'm always studying something. I'm always upskilling because I want to provide my clients with like the absolute best that I can in terms of coaching. So that always means me going out, learning, embodying what I'm learning, and then taking that into my coaching as well. So this has been a very interesting little course that I'm doing. A quick little thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. So Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder and host, which I use to host my business page, Eat, Run, Lift, but then also my personal journal. And I've used it for a really long time now. And I've actually just swapped over all my call booking systems to their built-in Acuity scheduling, and it's been so helpful. Squarespace is brilliant for anyone who needs to operate their business online, whether that's for booking your clients, whether it's for selling your product, or maybe you just need somewhere to put a portfolio. They have pre-built templates that you can use. You can drag and drop everything where you want to put it, and then you can jump in and customize it to make sure that it fully suits your branding. They have a 24/7 customer support service team and incredible blogging capabilities. If you want to jump in and get started, I have a 10% discount code for you. You can go over to the Squarespace website, start a free trial, and then when you're ready to put your site live, use the URL that I've put on the screen, and that will take 10% off your first purchase with Squarespace. I ordered these custom switch controllers from Joypop. I'm really feeling this matcha green style for all my technology bits. I don't know, I just like it. It just breaks things up a little bit. I can't get these screws out.
These, and it ended up breaking off when I had taken this apart once before.
Oh my god. Can you see how bad I just cracked my nail? It's been raining for like 2 days straight, and I think it's gonna rain for another week. I'm so happy that I bought, you know, one of those really flat treadmills? I bought one because this is going with my sit stand desk theory, if I can actually get around to ordering one. I keep procrastinating, I don't know why. I'm like, it's like I'm scared I'm not gonna use the desk properly. Or also, I think because it's they're all kind of ugly. None of them match my decor. Like all this stuff is like curvy and antique style, and these desks are so IKEA showroom 2012 cheap minimalism style. Like not, I don't know, it's just like a basic tabletop with basic legs. And part of me doesn't like that. I think, yeah, because my office is so dark and it's got the wallpaper and I've got that antique and just all my bits and bobs. You know, I just want it to match. That's the weird part of my brain. So I'm sure I'll get one at some point, but what I did was I ordered a really, really flat treadmill that I could use, not all the time, obviously, because that would be exhausting, but just some days like today when it's raining and I don't want to go outside and walk in the rain because I'm a princess who doesn't want to get her hair wet. I can just set up the really thin walking pad under the desk and just slowly walk while I'm doing my work. That's the aim if I stop procrastinating buying it. Also, please don't mind my lash extensions. Oh my God, I just dropped foundation all over my pants. I swear, when I was doing my makeup for my membership sites video that I did in January, I dropped makeup all over myself then. Anyway, what I was gonna say, don't mind my eyelash extensions. They are not the way that I asked for them. I think my communication was probably just poor. So what I'm gonna do next time, I got them because I need to do some photos and stuff for the website. And it's just easier because I hate putting on false lashes. And when you don't have lashes on, your eyes kind of disappear when you're doing photos and videos and stuff. I think I probably didn't communicate well. They're a bit heavy on my face and I feel like I could sweep the floor with these. My friend Jade, who works at the hair salon that I go to, she got hers done at the same time and hers look, they look so good, they look amazing. I don't want my eyelashes to be the main feature of my face, you know? I just want them to be like a subtle little pop. Every time I post an Instagram story lately where it's like a photo of my face, I keep getting asked what highlighter I'm using. That's the one that I've been using for months and months and months now. Do some filming, I'm gonna take some photos. It's mostly stuff that I'm building out for my clients because we have video modules and lessons. With my coaching program, I've got a few different levels. I have a level with like one-on-one direct contact, like video calls with me throughout the program. And then I've got like group calls as well. And then like between the calls, I have like video and audio
lessons just for different topics for clients. So I've got to film a couple of them today for my level 2 clients, and I've also got to record the next podcast for my mindset coaching program. So only my clients get access to that. I just had a thought. Does anyone else miss when Instagram was mostly just photos? Like, I'd love an app again where you can just post photos. I miss taking photos. I miss like planning out your little grid thing. And I know technically you can probably still do that now, but I feel like, I know this is probably bad, but almost part of me is like, oh, well, what's the point? Because all of these platforms just favor video content. Like even Pinterest has vertical video now. TikTok, which I can't even get into, has vertical video. Instagram, vertical video. YouTube even has shorts. Maybe I'm old and I can't keep up, but I don't really enjoy short format vertical video. Like, I would rather go on YouTube and put on someone's like 20-minute vlog and just chill and like watch that. Maybe it's in the background while I'm doing something else, or maybe I just like put it on while I'm doing my makeup and getting ready. Because I find when I watch these short vertical videos, it directly impacts my concentration. And so I try to avoid it because I need to be able to concentrate for long periods of time. And when you're constantly consuming all this like short format content, you're kind of like priming your brain to expect constant stimulation all the time. When in reality, that's not what our work is like. That's not what like putting effort into a project is like, whether that's an art project or it's knitting or it's like an assignment that you need to work on. Like nothing has that like multiple hits of instant gratification. And so I try to avoid that kind of content and watch more like long format content, which requires a bit more patience. I don't know. Does anyone else do that too? Everyone is going over to Reels and I'm like, I just want to take photos and make like chill vlogs. Is that okay?